All right, so we had a little problem with our chain, the conveyor chain. We broke it. It's pretty wore out. You can see there's cracks right there in the chain, and we fixed it once. We put one new slat in it, and then it broke not too far away from there, right on the end.
That did not work very well.
No, so we unloaded maybe 15 loads this year with it, and then it broke again. So now we got a heavy duty chain. These slats are a lot thicker, aren't they, Connor? They're a lot thicker and a lot heavier. So we ran the new chain in, but it's a little bit longer, a little bit too long. So yeah.
We need to cut it down a little bit.
So we got to cut it down a little bit. So we're going to show you how we use a chain breaker. But what we did is we ground the end off. So we got a angle grinder here. A DeWalt angle grinder. Ground that out. It needs a new head on it. But then we got a generator. So we ground the edges off. So you can see that they're ground off. These are sticking out. And this is ground off. So we did it on both sides. Then we'll cut it there. So here you go, Connor. Connor, can you hang on to that for me? And I'll probably have you hold the camera too. So just right where I'm working at, right down here. So we put that on. Tighten it down. Okay, bud, you can let go of it. And you can just watch the camera. There you go. And then right down here you can see that it kind of acts like a vise. Back off just a hair. And then it pushes the middle through it. So you can see it's popping out there. So that side's broke. Then you can see it pushed through on this side. So we got to do that over here too. Back it off. Put it on there, tighten it down. It's starting to rain, of course. Nice if we could work in a shop. Okay, I think we got her. So that came off. There's that piece, and then here we pull it right apart, and that's how it comes apart. There it is, a broken piece. All right, so we popped the other side off, so now it just comes apart. There's the chain, and we'll have to take these cotter keys out on the top, but then it should be about the right length, hopefully. And that'll work there too, so that's good. Should be set. So we loosened everything up on the conveyor first, and now we'll just connect it, and we'll be all set to go.
Yep.
All right, so we took the cotter keys out, got the connector links. So we take this one off, and we'll take the other side off. Hopefully. These are a little stubborn. Grab my pliers here. There we go. And now we'll connect her. Hopefully. One's on. Put the plate on it. There. And we'll put our cotter keys in. So the cotter keys, so this conveyor is running this direction, so we put the cotter keys in this way so they don't come out.
Then we bend them with needle nose pliers, and so they don't come out again.
We bend both sides over. There we go. One more cotter key in. And then bend it over. There we go. She's connected. We just got to do the same on the other side. So we're got her good.